In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Slack handle in just 5 minutes. Whether you're joining a new team or simply need to keep your contact info up to date, knowing where to find your Slack handle is an essential part of staying in touch and collaborating effectively. To begin, ensure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. You'll want to head over to the main Slack website. You can do this by typing Slack into your search engine or directly entering slack.com into your browser's address bar. Slack is a workspace communication tool that enables users to chat, collaborate, and manage tasks across distances seamlessly. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look for the option to sign in. You'll notice that Slack offers various methods for logging in. For this demonstration and for added convenience, let's sign in using Google. Click on the option that says Sign in with Google, and you'll be prompted to log in using your Google account credentials. This integration makes accessing your Slack workspace faster and more secure by utilizing Google's authentication services. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where you can view channels, messages, and notifications related to your workspace. It's a bustling space, but don't get overwhelmed. Just look towards the left sidebar where you can find your profile. This is usually accessible from your avatar or initials located at the top of their navigation pane. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Profile option. Your profile contains all the vital details about your Slack identity, including your email, phone number if added, and most importantly, your Slack handle. Next, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This is usually situated right next to your profile details. Open this editing view and look specifically for the section that says Display Name. Your Slack handle or username might be synonymous with this display name. Often people use a consistent handle across various platforms, but this can be edited as per your preference or workplace guidelines. Take a moment to ensure that your display name is correct and reflects how you'd like to be identified in your Slack workspace. Once you're satisfied, click Save or something similar to confirm any changes you've made. This handle will be how colleagues can mention or search for you, so it's crucial to keep it updated and appropriate. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly locate and edit your Slack handle. This little piece of information can make all the difference when it comes to ensuring smooth communication and collaboration within your team. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day exploring Slack.